I hope you can hear me. Okay, so I hope you can hear me and you can see my screen as well. So as you can see, like right now we got the signal of put writing. So what is the amount? It's 22 CR of put writing. So you can see those who are new here or haven't watched the previous live stream, so you must not be knowing like how to use them. So again, let's go for the overview, the full overview. So as you can see, the major position that was taken today by the big guys, and also like money flow is in negative. So these type of signals can be used for scalping. Like scalping means 2-3 points maximum, 5 points, and that's it. Okay. And yeah, so the idea which I shared here, like the HFT, if you go and check out this video, this one, the game changer one. So there, like I showed you, like if you are scalping, so what you can do with this. And now coming down to, yeah, so coming down to here, the major position that was made was by the shorts. Okay, so even this update I made it like as soon as it happened, so almost at that time I also gave this update on Twitter as well. So this one, so look at the time, 11:30. So look at this post, the current update that I posted, that was 11:45. Yeah, 15 minutes late I gave it, but so I think yeah, so I was 15 minutes late in posting that, but by 11:45, where was it? So let's see. So it was 43:45. Yeah, so this is where it was. Okay, and after that also, like you can see that like it's still falling. And yes, so the main thing is that the thing is that yes, sorry, the major position was taken here. Okay, so that was the big position that were taken here. And also, yeah, currently our money flow is also negative. So let's see how, what was the position. So the amount was, if you look at here, it's 130 CR of call writing that happened right at the top. Okay, so and or it all happens in real time. It tells you in real time what is happening, what the big guys are doing in the option chain. Okay, and in the morning here as well, like some put writing happened. I think that post I was, so that happened at around 10 a.m. So I think I posted one, this one, which was, let's see, that was 11:29. So 11:20. Yeah, so this one 11:28:29. So after that also, yeah, this move came in. So yeah, so the main point is that like here, so if you see the major chunk of put writing that happened in the morning, so you can also go and check out like what happened after that. So here in the morning, if you see that put writers were there, so there was sudden spike. So and as well as here as well, like call writers were there, and after that the fall came in. And then the major like big positions, if you see, so it's here as well as here. So the biggest one is here, and the reversal worked out perfectly. And here as well, like the put writers were present here. Okay, so right at the bottom, it's almost right at the bottom. So if you look at the amount, so this is 66 CR of put writing, 66.4, and this is 44.9 CR of put writing. Okay, and yes, and after that, oh yes, I now remember, in the morning I gave that update. Yeah, this one. So this update I gave it, and I said that like if it crosses above this thing, so yes, and after that when it crossed, but this signal came in, I gave the update that yes, such a signal came in. So the call writers. Okay, so yes, and in between also, while I mean, before this move also I gave this post 11:29. So not 11:29, so yeah, 11:29. So this is now, I think this is showing at 11:29. Yeah, so 20, 26, 27, 28, 29. Yeah, so it was almost there. So yes, I was late in posting that. Sorry for that. But yeah, so this one I posted after that because many people would be going long. So anyways, now let's look at so the main thing is that the performance, okay, of like currently also you can see, and as well as like this is what happened throughout the day. So the put writing and then the call writing, and like then again the put writers were here right at the bottom. It shot up, and then after that again, like if you see here, that is again the put writers were mostly present here before this jump. Okay, and then right after that at the top the call writers were here. So 130 cr of call writing happened right here, and it started falling. Okay, and yes, now let's see what is happening. So again, with respect to this candle, all the candles will look smaller, but anyways, so the candle sizes are mainly with respect to the other candle sizes that you see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's all live. You can very well see what is happening. Let's also look at Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty also you can see. Okay, so let's zoom in into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty again, let's come to here. That is call. So here morning put riders and call riders both were present. Okay, so here, so majorly if you look at, oh no, I'm mistaking. Like this was previous day. This is starting today 9:15 a.m. in the morning. Put buyers. So we don't go with the put buyers. But what I'm feeling like from yesterday onwards, that the big guys are also buying puts. But anyways, since the rule says that we go with the call writers and the put writers, so the light green is the put writers. So in the morning, if you see, the call writers were in, I mean, huge position. Okay, and so it fell. Like here, the call writing happened and it fell, and even like the money flow in the morning of Bank Nifty, it was also negative. Okay, so that was like a good sign for the Bank Nifty traders. And coming down here, that is some put writers were present right at the bottom here. So again, some up move came, but then after that, like it's almost like some call writers, some put writers. Again here, though this candle is a big one, but we don't go with the call buyers, because the deep green is the call buying, as I have already said. The put writing amount is not that. Okay, so here again coming down here, so this is a good amount of put writing here. Right happened right at the bottom, and the Bank Nifty reversed here. Again, some call writers came in here, and yeah, so again if you see the current one here, some put writers came in, and Bank Nifty is taking support there. Okay, so and also like in Nifty as well. So but it's not moving much, but yes. So let's keep both of them live, and let's see what's next. So again, if you have any queries or any questions, please feel free to ask. Hi Ronak, yes. So again, this is a very unique feature you don't get elsewhere. So the thing is that uh, I mean, this is something you don't get elsewhere, because real-time updates about the big guys in option chain, so you don't get elsewhere. Why? Because the OI data comes at a delay of 3 minutes. Okay, and also you don't get the fund flow, that is how much the big guys are putting money. Okay, how much the big bears are putting money, how much the big bulls are putting money. So in the option chain, like while taking their position. So that is the unique thing that you get here. Okay, so as you can see in Bank Nifty, again right here some call writers are also active, and again in Nifty also some call writers are starting. So you will see that here it's coming and going. So that is the point where it's thinking. After thinking, when it has like made its output, it never changes. So there is no question of repainting or something. So again, as you see, Bank Nifty call writers were present, and right at this candle, as you can see, it all happened in right in front of you, and Bank Nifty is falling. Okay, so that is the beauty of the big guys taking positions. Okay, so right here, so right at the top, right the last green candle that happened. Okay, and Bank Nifty is falling. So like now you know like how beneficial it's even for the scalpers mainly like. So the HFT one is mainly for the intraday players, like those who wants to catch reversals like this. So you like this one, and so those who are scalping in very short time period. So it's for them. So yeah, today I mean there was some delay in the post in on X, so I'm really sorry about that. So I didn't notice at that time because like I was trading and so I took some huge position today, so that's why I think I made some mistake there. Like usually I post it right when it happens, but yeah, today I missed it. So I mean, those who are thinking that this is all fake and everything, so you can just go and check out the past post as well where I updated. Today, yeah, today I made a little bit of like delay was there in posting. Yeah, so anyways, so I'll do my best from next time. But yes, so that's why I'm also live. So as you can see live what's happening. Bank Nifty, like it did its job, like showed you that right from the top. I mean, indicator can be made like which can catch reversals right almost right from the top and right from the bottom. So like this one in Nifty. So right from the top and this one again today right from the bottom. So again, this is not magic. It's all happening right in front of you. I have come several times in live and have shown you that from the top and from the bottom, it does catch reversals. So, anyways, let's see. Again, if you want any other stocks or any, uh, I don't think any higher probability setup than this exists. Yeah, so the thing is that like for the intraday players, like this is the best thing that I mean, it would be like I mean saying that my product is the best, but everyone would say that. But I would that's why I come live and show you because after the market hours, anyone can claim anything. So and also that's why I post on X as well. So that's the thing. Like I mean, I just don't claim. So I am proving that I'm showing you live. So that like no doubt arises that this thing can be faked or anyhow it can be faked or that. So yeah, even there are members like one of the member is like commenting. So Ronak is one of the members. So he's a member. He's using the uh, indicator as well. So so the main part is that like we have got a very good setup. Now we have to automate this setup. So the human intervention, we have to just remove it somehow. That is like I'm still not getting how to do it, but still thinking. I mean, work in progress. So because why? Because still some human intervention is still there, because like we can see put writing, and then like we have to see the charts and think that whether we should take the position or not. So that's where the thing is. But like this one can be automated easily, like the huge put writing came, so we sorry, call writing, so we can set a threshold, like if more than 50 cr of call writing happens and we get a sell signal on the smart trend, so it will automatically sell. So but the, yeah, but the scalping part, that I have to think about. Oh, no, no. So, like the main point is that this indicator we can make it work with the just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yeah. So, yes, as we were saying, like we can make it work if TradingView allows option chain data. So TradingView is only allowing option chain data for like in India, it's allowing for these I mean all the indices and the stocks, okay, and but so that's why we can do it there. But MCX still option chain is not present in TradingView, so they are not allowing option chain data of MCX or even crypto as well. So we can also I have also done it for the US market as well. So so that is the problem. Like once they allow it, we will also start with this thing, that is MCX and crypto as well. So I'm eagerly waiting for TradingView to allow option chain data from there as well. So so again, I have kept the setup very simple. That is only three indicators. That also one indicator you are just analyzing, and while you want to take the trade, you can use that indicator. That is a smart trend. But mostly, I mean, you are using two indicators only. That is the HFT and the AI money flow. Okay. And also mostly you are like even out of these two indicators also majorly like the weightage is given to the HFT, because that is like giving you an instant view of the big guys positions in the option chain. The AI money flow, what it's doing, it's giving you an overall view of the option chain, like taking considering all the data together. It's giving you a like a I mean an option chain view, or you can say option chain like sentiment or something like that. So it's giving the overall sentiment of the option chain. So so they're also like it does machine learning. So with the help of machine learning, it's basically telling you that how next thing can have, or what impact the data can have. And so that's the thing. Like in Bank Nifty, as you can see in the morning, it was negative. So it was a clear signal to short Bank Nifty in the morning. In Nifty in the morning, it was like slightly positive in the morning, and then after that, like suddenly the score came from 1 to negative 19. So that was a signal that big guys are shorting there. Suddenly the score went down and again came to neutral, but again then after that it went highly negative after that. So that's the thing, like it's like it's giving you an overall view of the option chain. But if you, since being an intraday trader and especially option trading, so you need instant, something instant like this one, like even you can see here, like even for the scalpers also, like how I have shown it in this video, the game changer one. Now also you can go and open your broker's terminal and check that right here when you got, again we don't go with this, again we don't yes, yes, yes. We don't go with this deep red, okay, so the light red we go with it. So even if from here to here, though the move is looking small, go and check out like let's say 24,000 PE or 24,100 PE, how much it moved. So the time, as you can see, it's 1 p.m. right, sorry, yeah, 1 p.m. where this came and then the fall came. Okay, and so even here as well, like this one, so and two green candles after that, but again the fall came. So even with a small fall also, like scalpers, for the scalpers, like they can like scalp. Scalpers means like you are scalping 2, 3 or maximum 5 points. So I scalp like 2, 3 points. Okay, sometimes even 1 point as well. So I mostly do that and scalp again. But whenever these type of big positions are coming, so then it's time to take big trades that you have been waiting for. Otherwise, like scalping is good. Like here as well, like this was also 100 CR of put trading, and the market started reversing. And there, like if you notice here, that is uh, so if you notice here, that is like today, this is 9th May, this is the members channel. So like in the morning we were seeing these put writers, but since market was in a for downtrend, so there like I said that we shouldn't go with this put writing. Where I said uh, yeah, so this is the one 10:04. I said that we shouldn't go with this put writing, but after that, like right here when the buying signal, we should wait for the buy signal. I clearly mentioned that. And then after that, right here when 10:11 the buying signal came, I also said that there. So that is kind of hand holding. Like those who are new, they should understand like how to use it. So that's the thing. Like so, I mean, once you go with this buy signal from here, after that you have seen the put writing happen, you wait for the buy signal and you go with them. So you can very well see like a good move you could have captured, okay? And also we have this resistance line, and it exactly got resistance there and came down. And now you would say I have drawn them today, so it's not today. Like way earlier, I used to share all these analysis. Then only I have drawn these daily. I used to make videos about the EOD analysis. So during that time, I have shared all these levels and everything. So yes, again now, right now, as you can see, the call writers did writing here. So let's look at the amount. So 30 CR of call writing. So then yeah, so if you the next minute you take some position, so it's starting to come down. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I mean, you get to see the beauty of this indicator in real time. So that's why I come online, because if I say that there is some indicator in the market which can catch reversals from exact top or bottom, the first thing everyone will say that this guy is fake. Okay, this guy is a fraud. This can never happen. Never happen. Just go and tell anyone, any trader, that I have seen an indicator that can catch reversals from exact top and bottom. Okay, not all the reversals. I'm not saying every reversal it can catch, but yes, like this one, let's say this was almost from the top. So where the major positions are being this one. Okay, and also like right now in the live stream only, I showed you this one, like this one when it happened in Bank Nifty and it started reversing. So this one we were live. Okay, so now go and tell that I have seen such an indicator happening. Go and tell any trader, and you'll see the reaction. The first thing they will say that it's fake, and that's why like whenever many people see my post, they dislike, they straight away don't even listen or see or tries to look at what the indicator is doing. Is it really doing its job? They first dislike or they comment something very bad or something. So can we build an indicator to see which option more buyers are buying in live with OI? Again, the problem with the OI is fine. You are taking into consideration in your analysis, that is fine. But OI comes every 3 minutes. Okay, so that's the point. Like if you are an intraday trader, a lot can happen within 3 minutes. Oh, okay. Okay, so you are a okay, so Vedya is a member, so he has also texted me. Uh, yeah. So this long build up and short build up, if you see, I also did it. Okay, so let me show you here that you already have access to in the AI money flow, but I don't say people to follow it. Like as you can see, interpretation. So long, fresh short, long. So like these changes. Okay, so when the new data comes, these changes, and also IV conclusion. What is the IV telling us? So I made this, but I mean this is not a good one. Why? Because like so now you would say that if it is not a good one, why did you make it? So what happens is that you gradually improve your system, right? On the first day, you can't say that on the very first day I'll make the best indicator of the world, right? So you gradually like make something and then understand that where the problem is coming, then you like improve it, right? And gradually it's a gradual process like to get to the best thing. So yes, I also made that. I saw people like uh, doing that and showing that OI long unwinding and short covering and all these. So I saw that the logic was very simple. That is, they basically check what is the logic. There are four conditions. Very simple condition. Suppose in a strike price, if OI is increasing, okay, you just check the previous OI, now the current OI. Okay, so now if you look at the difference, if the OI has increased and you see the premium there, or let's say with the premium they do, or with the spot price or with the futures price also they do. So what they do is they check the price, whether the price has increased or decreased. If the price has increased, then they would say that it's like if it's on the call side, OI has increased and also price has increased, so that means like they would say it's called buying. If like let's say price has on the call side, I'm saying if OI has uh, increased and price has decreased, so then they would say call shorts. And similarly, like all the other conditions also you can do it. Like if OI has decreased and price has increased, so like call OI has decreased and price has increased, so then short covering. If OI has decreased and also price has decreased, so I mean then you can understand that like covering is going on, but then they would say that it's call buyers are unwinding. Okay, so yes, now it happened right in front of you, this reversal. Now you can't say that I have faked or anything. So right here I showed you in 14 16 the 30 cr of call writing happened, and after that you saw the nice reversal from just right from the top. So like yeah, sometimes it not might happen that exact top, like one candle, the next candle was the exact top, but you get the exact top, right? So this is almost the top. Like if you say that why not the next candle, I bhai mujhe maaf karo. So I only have to say that like it caught the reversal from the exact top right in front of you. I was live, and now you can see the power of this indicator. So, okay, and I can proudly say that there is no such indicator that is doing the same job in this market. Okay. And also I think whatever you saw here with the I will have a deeper look at it, but what I think is I think they are analyzing futures OI build up. I think they are analyzing futures OI, but anyways, like you have access to our indicator as well and that indicator as well. You can see the I mean, for an intraday player, like you are getting the move, like you should be able to capture the moves and should be able to, like, if you are able to catch the reversals, that's the best thing for an intraday player like this one, the right one, the right uh, like this one, and like even smaller ones and like the bigger ones here. So like this, I mean, there is no indicator, like right from the bottom here, this one. So even if you just catch 2 to 3 such reversals, you are done for the day. Like you don't have to even just simply go and check, like right here 1416, what was the price of, let's say, 24,100 or 2400 PE. Okay, so let's check it out. So let's take 24,000. Uh, so let's take 24,000 P. So it was at the money. So at the money 24,000 P charts. So what was the price at 1416? So 5 minutes. Sorry, let's go to 1 minute. 1416 I'm looking at. So now you see the beauty of this indicator. 1416 was this. 1 minute to take the trade. Okay, so almost, let's say the average price of this candle is 235. So from 235 it's now at 268, or it even touched above 270. So I mean, a straight cut 35 points move. Like it happened right in front of you, so that even like no one of you can even say that, like uh I mean, there can't be an indicator which can catch the reversal from right at the top or bottom. Okay, like now you know that yes, there can be, we can, like, data points says a lot. So you don't have to depend on someone like to give calls and all those things. You Because if someone is giving a call, so it might be that his or her human emotions are involved in it, right? So they might not be going with as per data points or something. Sometimes they might be giving some calls on human emotions, mujhe lagta hai types. But here what you're doing is, you know that this is not human emotion, this is simply data. Okay, and there is an algorithm which is analyzing that data and giving you the outputs. Okay, okay, so 90% readers lose in FNO such an indicator is good godsend. The derivatives indicator company feels like, yeah. So thanks Ronak. So yeah, even Ronak is also capturing moves in stock options as well. So yeah, data is God, right? So sorry, not this. Yeah, data is God. So there is nothing better than that. And also, like, let's look at our money flow. So it's also still in negative. Bank Nifty is still negative. Again, this not only works for Nifty and Bank Nifty, for all the indices and the stocks, FNO stocks. So everything is here. So I think it's having more than 180 stocks or something. So anyways, and you just have to input the settings properly and it will start working. Why do we still have to input the settings? Because of the limitations of the Pine script. Okay, so this is the overall view for the Nifty, and this is for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, right at the start, some big call writers were there, fell, and some put writers started giving support. But again, here some put writers are coming. So let's see again. So these call writers, they did their job. Like right at the top, they shorted, fell here, and again a little fall. But again, I mostly capture this and get out. Again, I am not saying that every such move I am able to capture. No. So let's be practical and let's see how it's. And also, there is no delay. That is the beauty of this thing. There is no delay. It's all real time. So, okay, so while we were live, so if you even don't believe what happened in the morning, like this one and this one, right from the bottom, right from the top, while we were live, Nifty, we caught one reversal, this one. Bank Nifty, we caught this reversal, this one. Okay, I even claim this reversal as well. But now again, right here, you can see the put writers. The put writers were present here and it has started reversing. Okay, so that is the beauty of this indicator. So that is the beauty of this indicator, guys. Like even after this, like even after seeing this, if you're not putting a like, then I don't know what. I mean, after looking at what you will put a like. uh, so I mean, it's my indicator, so it's custom made indicator. So this is my indicator. So yeah, I've got a bad cold actually. So anyways, so now you saw like the beauty of this indicator, guys. So right from the bottom, so this was right from the top, I was live, this came down right from the bottom. So what else do you want from an indicator? And that too, like I have kept it at a very very minimal charge. Like, so I mean, these type of indicators which are not even available in the market, and it works like this, catching the big guys. Okay, so I mean, it will surely cost you 1 lakh. Okay, so at least 50,000 someone would be selling it at least 50,000 yearly. No, I mean 1 lakh also, like go to some guy who is having more than 1 lakh followers on Twitter. If that guy is having such an indicator, he won't be selling it less than 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so while I'm giving it to you for only 15,000 for 6 months, that too, like, so it's way cheap. So people come and say that why not monthly and so on and so forth. So whatever I'm charging you for 6 months, I mean, those people with 1 lakh followers, they don't even have such a thing, and they charge it for even sometimes monthly as well. Okay, so that's the thing. And again, use them for scalping and just get out, okay, after scalping. So like if you even want to see, like let's say from right here, so took 20 points trade in 1 minute. So yeah, Vedya here just posted that he took 20 points in one trade. So yeah, so that's the thing, that's the beauty of here. How can we have it? So if you want the indicators, so you have to go to my website and subscribe for it. So here, so again, there is no login or something that you have to do. What you have to do is, like, simply whichever plan suits you, you have to just get started, and after that just add it to cart and just check out and nothing else. Okay, and again, it would be very helpful if you can even like directly UPI us. But if you want to pay with cards or any other payment method, so you can just go to checkout and we have all the payment options available. So yeah, so that's the for 6 months, 9 months, and for 12 months we have the plan. So, okay. So okay, let's see in Bank Nifty. Okay, so 1426 here we got the signal. So a good amount of put writing were happening. We only follow the light green and the light red. So yeah, so 1426. Let's say what is the ADM 53,500. Let's take Bank Nifty. So let's go to Bank Nifty 53,500 or whatever you want to take. So even if you want to go a little out of the money, let's take sorry, it was we were going up, so we should go look at the call side. Yeah, so let's go a little out of the money as well. So let's say 54,000 only. Okay, so let's go to the charts. So we got the signal right in front of you while we were live. So now let's check. So this is at 1426. So let's look at the prices at 1426. So this is Bank Nifty. So we are 1 day. So let's go to 1 minute. 1425. This is 1426. Okay. Then the next minute you take the trade, or let's say next 2 minutes also. Okay. So the price was at 794, or let's take it 800 also. From 800 it jumped to 830. Okay. So so that's the beauty of, and it's not like while the move is coming it's showing you that, oh, now like the move, after the move it's also not telling before the move, like before the move here also, like see right at the top it said, like we were live right at the top before the move, it's telling you right from the top, right from the bottom, and not even like way ahead from the bottom, or it's almost the bottom or the top right here, like we saw in Nifty. So almost right at the top. I also showed you like how much the put premium moved. Okay, I forgot, just go and check it out again. I just showed you. So this is what the beauty of this indicator is. Okay. Yeah, Rahul. Oh, you captured 60 points. Great. So that's really great. So like from the morning to now, or like just right now? I don't know. I don't remember. Sorry if I'm asking. Like, are you a member, or have you captured it on your own? Like, I did not get that point. Uh, Sharada Prasad Das, how can we have it? Yeah, I answered that. How can you have it? I know how you calculated, but could not make it into an indicator where to subs. You have, okay. You have to subscribe. Like I showed you, you have to go to my website here. The website link is given, and you have to just go for the go for the uh, option that is like the membership plan which is suiting you. Okay, so data is got, yeah, so I think I have answered all your queries. No, the best thing is that even you get the fund flow as well, like if while you are going, like uh, so suppose for example here also call writers are there, but you look at it's 88 lakhs. Okay, so you get the fund flow also. So that is the beauty of this thing. That is again here as well. Now you see that here 30 cr of call writing is happening. So that's where the beauty of this thing is, that you even get where even in the big sharks, like even in the sharks there are bigger sharks and smaller sharks, right? So we have to catch the bigger sharks. So that's the thing, like that's what we have to do, that catch the big sharks and ride with them. So again, if you, I mean, got the reversals, please at least put a like. I mean, like में कंजूसी मत करो, मतलब it's free of cost, and it's anonymous. No one can know even you liked it. Okay, so I got you like one reversal in sorry, two reversals in Bank Nifty, and one nice reversal in Nifty. Okay, so like, and that too we have been live for just how much time, like I don't remember when I came live, but it's almost like 50 minutes, or not even 50 minutes happened. Okay, so let's say 40 minutes happened, like 40 to 45 minutes we got like two reversals in Bank Nifty, and one reversal in Nifty. uh, I do my own analysis, but got the signal in my system, but confirmation from your end. Just the last move captured. Oh, okay. Thanks for the confirmation, Rahul ji. Sharad ji, how to integrate the same in trading view? So we will give you, so as soon as you make the payment, we will give you access to your TradingView account. So for that, we will be needing your TradingView ID, and we will give you access to the TradingView account, and from there you can add it on your charts. Like, what is the difference between sensible OI and this? Okay, so this question I've been asked several times. That is OI. Sorry. Yeah, for the OI, so this is like, if you see the OI data, so OI doesn't, like, OI comes from NSE to every broker's terminal every 3 minutes. It's not real time like you saw here. Okay, it's real time, it's happening. But for 216, you go into Sensible, you go into any other OI Pulse or something, like many other websites are there. You won't get to see like OI changing there or something, some signals are getting there. Okay, so it starts with 9:18 in the morning, not even 9:15 to 9:18, you don't get any update. 9:18, then the next OI update comes at 9:21, then the next OI comes at 9:24, and so on and so forth. Okay, so again here, that is like you see, it's 216. So 216, you what do you like so the so and also like here as well, you can see live. So there you don't get like live OI. There is nowhere you get live OI. Okay, and also nowhere you get to catch the big guys. Even in the OI, there are, all the players are there in the OI. Now, how do you analyze that whether those OI in the big guys are how much amount is the big guys and how much are the retailers? How do you analyze that? Okay, then out of that also, if there are big guys, how much fund they have put to I mean carry those trades, or the thing is that, like are those big guys smaller sharks or bigger sharks? Okay, so you have to go for the fund flow. Then like this, we can see here clearly 30 cr, like here you can read the numbers, 30 cr. Okay, 30.8 cr. So right here, 31 cr of call writing, so the big guys did, and they fall. If the retailers did it, then the fall may not have come. Now you can understand, if something is happening right after some one is taking the trades, so they are the big ones, like they have control over the market, so we have to follow them. And that is something very unique here. Nowhere it's there, nowhere. Okay, I can proudly say that like this algorithm is nowhere in the market. No one has able to like even crack it. Okay, so, and with proper fund flow, like here, that is how you know, get to know that how much put writing, what is the big guys are like doing in real time. So first of all, the unique features are in real time. There is nowhere in real time. Okay, you get the OI data, and even after, if you get, even chalo kal se NSE देना शुरू कर दिया OI in real time. Okay, then also how do you know that in that OI how much is the what the big guys, are the big guys present? Like here, if you see blank, this zone is blank, this zone is blank. So the algorithm is saying that we haven't been able to, with a high probability, it's a probabilistic model. Okay, so it's saying that with a high probability, I don't see any big guys taking positions. Okay, so that is the thing. So that is the difference, that is the unique feature, and especially the fund flow. Okay, I hope you got the uniqueness. And Ajit Kumar, is it required? No. So you can go with the free version of the TradingView. So for them, I made you like how you can utilize fullest for the TradingView who have like free version. So it even works on the free version as well. So for them, I have made this video, TradingView hacks. Okay, you can go and check that out. So even on a free account also, you can trade. Okay, you can you can use this indicator, and in the free account the data is delayed by 5 seconds. Okay, so 5 seconds में अगर कुछ नहीं जाता है तो I mean you can go for it. Like see, after watching here as well, like look at here, 14 16 216, the big 30 cr of call writing happened. After that also you got 1 minute for like to take the trade and capture this move. So it's nothing like I mean 5 seconds में कुछ नहीं जाता है. No, 5 seconds delay. फ्री वर्जन में 5 seconds delay. So 5 seconds में क्या होगा, मतलब 5 seconds delay there won't be much loss, right? I mean it's happening like it's in real time. It's giving you like in my it's premium. I have the premium version of TradingView, but if you don't have it, you get like essential plans also they have like real time. Okay, so but in the very free basic account, it's only 5 seconds delay, not 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds, it's nothing happens, like it's almost real time, you can say. Okay, so that's the thing. And how after subscribe can I get in touch, how to integrate in the okay, I answered. Ronak, Tata Motors fell pretty well just now, almost 1% fall. Oh, okay. So yeah, so we'll go to Tata Motors and see. Is it no? I answered that question. After subscribe, can I get in touch with you on call? Not to know the logic, obviously. Yeah, yeah. We can. You can get like the members. They like everyone like speaks with me over calls or WhatsApp as well. So I mean, I reply to like members know that like I. Sometimes I might reply a little late, but I do reply to everyone, and I do get I mean all of your calls as well. So I do that. Like if because what happens is like it's all happening real time, so confusion can arise, and especially like in the first few days. So once you get the hold, so you become a pro one. So how you find out the difference between the big guys and the small guys, and I want to understand your score, where you get the info from. No, so info, no. So the info is no one getting free version, data slow. Okay, yeah. Free info I'm not getting, like this is not, someone is not providing me this score or this data. So what is happening, whatever data is available in the market. Okay, so like you take those data and then you have to make some algorithm that will analyze those data and give you the output that you want, okay, for your trading. So that is the thing, like. And how I catch the big players, so that is kind of a little secret, that that is basically the very big logic behind the indicators. So anyways, the main part is that like I mean you might sometimes have to even buy the data as well. So some data are not even available freely to the public as well. So whatever it is, you can get hold of the data. After that, you have to analyze it. Okay, that no one will do it for you. You have to make your own logic, own algorithms, and there you have to like analyze the analyze what you want. And moreover, once more again, like those who are or will be taking membership today, so your membership count starts from Monday. Okay, so many people think that आज क्यों लूंगा, आज तो फ्राइडे है, सैटरडे संडे बेकार चला जाएगा. तो it's not बेकार चला जाएगा. तो your membership count starts from Monday, but you get access today itself. Like once you subscribe, you get access right there itself. Okay, but so why we do this? Because so that like over the weekend you can go through the charts, put the HFT and get like used to it. Okay, so you get time over the weekend and you get used to it, and now you can like on Monday, if you start in the live market, so I mean you might get confused, right? Because that is the first time you're seeing that. But since over the weekend you have like seen how it has happened in the past and so on and so forth, you have read the chart, so now you get an idea, and you have studied something, and now you are going into the real world. So everyone will pass the question. I think, I hope you understand that, because like no one will share the logic in the public. Because why no one shares the logic? Because the main point is that you don't want tomorrow that if all the people start using the same logic, obviously the thing won't work, right? So yeah, so the main point is that we should keep the logic with us, and but yes, the indicator you are getting access, and yes, so you can use it, right? And it's all real time. You don't have to even wait for someone to give you tips or recommendations. You and that too, you are not sure that tip will work on, or that recommendation will work or not, uh, because that might not be based on data, but here it's all based on data. So you get a little bit of more assurance that चलो जो भी हो रहा है तो डेटा बेस्ड ही हो रहा है, मतलब even if we go wrong, then we won't be blaming someone for their human emotions or something. So it's based on data. चलो गलत हो गया तो हो गया, ठीक है, लेकिन मतलब if we follow data, so over a long period we will be right most of the times. Like if you see, I have been live for the last 1 hour. We got nice like one reversal in Bank Nifty, second reversal in Bank Nifty, one nice reversal in Nifty. So just following the data. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे लगता है कि अभी गिरेगा, मुझे लगता है अभी उठेगा. So no, so just following the data points. Okay, yes, I told we will go to Tata Motors. So let's look at Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, we have to make the settings. Tata Motors 700. Even right here as well, like for the scalpers, like 2 to 3 points you easily get in such move. Okay, so I can open the let's say 24,000 call. Just open it and check. So for the even for the scalpers also, like it's very beneficial. So yes, we go to 1 minute chart for the smart trend. Yeah, right here. So Tata Motors, right? Ronak was right. Yes. So something are better kept hidden and proprietary. Right, Ronak. Yes, Ronak was right. Here in Tata Motors, this big call writers came in. So here, even right here, and even while the fall, like even just start of this fall, also the riders were there, the big riders were there, and the sell signal was also here on the smart trend, and it fell. So nicely captured. So I don't trade stocks. I like I usually stay away from stock options, but I don't have any experience. But yeah, so but our algorithm works there as well, and also I've tested it on in the US market as well. So there it's also working. So yes, it's working. Okay, so that's the beauty of this thing, and yeah, Rahul ji. So obviously, okay. So let's look at this one. Like you got to know here suddenly, put writing happened right in Nifty. So 18 CR of 18.6 19 CR of put trading happened. So the time is 2:48. So this is put. Let's open a call. So Nifty call 24,000. Sorry, 15th May 24,000. Okay, so let's go to 1 minute. Yeah, so the time was 2:48 and I was live. So 2:48. Even here you'd say, okay, so like here also, like let's say you take 1 minute to take the now it's falling. Okay, 1 minute to take the move, 1 minute to take the trade. So let's say 219 or 220. Okay, even I can, for selling my indicator, I can tell it like 215. Okay, when the signal came. So let's be practical. let's say you take it at 219 or 220 the trade, and it goes to 243. Okay, and I said that this is mainly for scalpers. Okay, and the intraday traders. So mostly those who don't trade those who don't scalp. So then for intraday you have to follow the rules like this. You have to wait for the big positions to happen, like this one, 100 CR of put writing, this buying signal came, you go long. Like this 130 CR of call writing happened right at the top, then sell signal came, you got short. And if you think that small moves you can capture and make a good profit, so again, so that is scalping. So that is like 2 3 points, 5 points. Okay, so again I'm saying that like today is Friday, and again those who will be taking the membership, so like you would be getting access to Nifty AI Money Flow, Bank Nifty AI Money Flow, and the HFT Algo scanner, which works for all the indices and the stocks. And you would be getting access to this smart trend dynamic stop navigator. That is this one that you can currently see on the charts, and the other one is like Telegram channel access. But don't expect like tips or anything from the in the Telegram channel. So I do handholding there, but yeah. So basically I post signals from the indicator, and so handholding is there, but no tips or any recommendation. So because you see, like, why do you have to wait for tips? Like, the person who will be giving tip, you have to wait for that person, you might miss the message of that person. So why wait? Why, I mean, while you can have everything real time, and that too based on data points. So and yes, again, you get access to it as soon as possible, as soon as you make the payment. And you, but don't worry, your membership count will start from Monday. Okay, so you can go throughout the charts and everything, look at all these 180 stocks if you want. Okay, and put the HFT and do some reading so over the weekend, and then start trading. And then again, if you have any queries, do ask me, I'll be happy to answer that. And then after that, again from Monday you can start. So Monday, one day to expire Sensex will be there. So from Monday onwards, we will also be tracking Sensex along with Nifty, Bank Nifty, and again, if you think that the indicator is worth it, so don't forget to put a like. And okay, how to buy through credit card? So it's very simple. Like, all you have to do is like go to the website, whatever like you want to go for, let's say 9 months. So I'll add to cart. Okay, now cart has been added. Now I'll go to the cart. Sorry, yeah, sorry, I'll go to the cart. Okay, so yeah, if something else is added, I'll delete it. So now see, now proceed to checkout. Okay, and you just have to fill this up, and then click on place order. And now this phone pay payment gateway will come, where you can pay with the QR code or debit or credit card. This is the option for the debit and credit card. And if you're paying via UPI, then I would request you directly pay us with the UPI, because that will save us some bucks, that is for the internet charges they charge us for the online transaction. But yes, if you want to pay via credit or debit cards or net banking, so here are the all the options. Okay, and after the payment is done, it will show a green symbol here. So yeah, after that just like text us on WhatsApp and we will add you right away. Okay, so this is, and for directly UPI us, you can use even this number as well as the other number was given, I think. Yeah, so this one. Okay, anyone will do. And for WhatsApp, you just have to WhatsApp us at this number, and we will add you right away. Okay. Ajit Kumar, 30 CR is greater than 30 CR or greater than 50 CR? What is the significant? No, 30 CR is also a significant amount. Okay, so just a second. Yeah, so 30 CR, like here, as you saw, like 30 CR of call writing happened and it started falling. Okay, so that is the thing. Like you on the charts also, you can understand that whether the chart is after that it's bending or not. Okay, and like this one, like the big ones, like these are the major ones, like 130 CR. Okay, 130 CR, and you can see all the numbers here. So 130 CR of call writing. This one was like 66.4, and this is 44.9. So more than 100 CR of put writing here. Okay, so even for sometimes scalping for 1 or 2 points, or 2 points to 5 points, sometimes like 20 CR is also helpful. Okay, so 20, 30 CR. So what is the significant number? Okay, how to buy? Yeah, I have answered all the queries. You mentioned short statements. 248 candle is not there. 248 candle. 248 candle. Mm, 246.40. Yeah, 240. Sumit, I think you are online. So if so, like change the candle pattern. So I think you are using some other candle pattern. Like uh, so I think here I saw some. I also forgot where the candle patterns are, but it should be somewhere. Yeah. So here go for the candles. Like don't use other types of candles like volume candles or hollow candles. Okay, or bars. So use. So here again some call writing is happening. Yeah, so I think you are using some other types of candles. because because it reads the chart as well. So yeah, so yes, to all, like all you have to do is use the normal candles one. Okay, so because uh, I mean everything has to be like the chart also, it needs to read. That is what is happening to the charts and how Nifty or whatever the chart is, it's analyzing. So how it's behaving. So that also it needs to see whether it's going up or down. So so my algorithm is based on this candle chart. So that's why like you should put the candles in the chart. Okay. Okay, guys. So again, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Feel free to ask. And also do put a thumbs up for at least for showing you some reversals live. And LNT. Okay, so let's open LNT. Aggressive call writing happening. Three thousand. Sorry, currently we don't have any coupon code, so already like the prices are at a discount. So yeah, LNT call writing is happening, right? So let's go to the 1 minute chart. Let's put this one. Let's look at the overall view. Yeah, so from the morning, the call writers are mainly present there. So call writing, then again here call writing, and it fell, and again here as well. So yeah, again here as well, major chunk of call writing happened, and there this fall came in. Again right now also like here call writing happened, and again it fell. Yeah, Tata Motors again right at the bottom. Here, right at the top, the call riders were present, and again right at the bottom, the put riders were present, and it went up. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Yes. So sorry for the interruption. So okay, yeah. Fine. Yeah. So just a second. Yeah, Rahulji. Okay. So yeah, giving you access. So it's 3:15. So after that, after 3 p.m., I usually say not to like scalp or something. So because after 3 p.m., usually sometimes most of the days we see decay. Yeah. So again, if you have any queries or questions, again you can see at. So let's look at what happened to L&T. Oh, so this is Tata Motors here. No, sorry, this is L&T. Here again. So yeah, L&T throughout the day, like after the call rating, it was coming down. Tata Motors, after this put writers, it went up again. Now here, right here at the end, some call writers are there. Bank Nifty neutral there. After this put writing, like they gave support. Okay, so this put writers took it up and gave support. So they also made money. These call writers also made money. We got these reversals live. So again, it's not like at every candle, whenever the signal comes, you have to trade. Wait for the proper one. Okay, so like this one, like this one, like this one. Okay, so even the move might be small, but like it will give you 5 to 10 points. Okay, or sometimes let's say 3 points also. So it's very good for the scalpers. And I already have told, like if you are an intraday player, so you can go with these type of big ones, like the 100 CR positions or the 50, at least more than 50 CR positions if you don't want to scalp. Nifty making red in Algo scan and Bank Nifty green. No, no, no. So we don't go with all the red and green. I have clearly mentioned that. So better go with and watch these two videos. And also I have like I think I have shared with you this video. Okay, so go and check. There are 4 colors. Okay, so sorry, Bank Nifty. Yeah. So yeah, coming to one by one. So first of all, it's not about tips. What is happening right now? Okay, अभी क्या होगा बताओ. तो ऐसा नहीं है. एक एक करके चलते हैं. तो the very first thing is that we don't go with all the colors. There are 4 colors: light red, light green, deep red, deep green. Okay, so the light red and the light green which we follow, because those are the light green is the put writers and the light red is the call writers. Like you saw in Bank Nifty today, we were live. This light green came in and I said that now we are like after that here it was happening live, and after that we saw right after that the move came. Here in Bank Nifty we saw light red, and right after that the call I mean the fall came, the call writers. Here like in Nifty again we saw 30 CR of call writing. All I'm saying is live, in live, like I till the time I was live, I have started this live, so that time I'm only talking. So this is light red we saw. We didn't say that these deep red. Okay, we didn't go. I'll say why. So this is the light red, 30 CR of call writing, and we saw the Nifty fell there. Okay, so now the main point is that why do we go with only the call writers and the put writers? That is because the big guys, they sell. Suppose you just simply think from your side. That is, if suppose someone gives you 10 CR to trade, okay, or you have 10 CR to trade or more than 10 CR, whatever. So then now suppose you are trading and now think that would you buy any option with 5 CR or more than 5 CR? No, right? Usually not, right? So, but you would definitely write using the 10 CR whole portfolio. You might also write, right? Because you might go out of the money and sell options, whatever. You might write. So now think about the big institutions like the Jane Street, those who are trading with billions. Okay, and there are many hedge funds even in Chennai, Delhi, even the Kolkata, in Kolkata also we have. So institutions which are trading with more than 100 CR, or some institutions having 500 CR, 1000 CR. So what they will also do, they will write. And so that is the first point to go follow the big sharks, that is the writing. We have to catch them writing. Okay, so that is the thing, and that is what we see. Okay, like here in the morning here as well, like I right at the top. So I was a little late in posting this update. So yeah, this update. So that was the one. You see, it's a good amount. Like you can see the light red. We don't go with the deep red. So the deep red amount also you can see. We just go with the light red. The light red amount is 130 CR. So that was a very good opportunity. And then after that, right away it fell. Again, here I also posted that also, but again a little late. I was also trading, so that's why. And also I posted on the group as well, and after that I posted there. So this one also, like if you can see, for 66.4 CR, 44.9 CR, so more than 100 CR of put trading. Okay, and it went up. Okay, so that's the thing. Like that's how the I mean that's how our indicator or our algo is helping you to basically catch the reversals. So again, if you have any queries or questions, you can still ask. So even here also you can see the 20 CR of put trading happened. So as I already said, even for the scalpers also 20 CR also sometimes works. Like 20 CR. So let's just practically see here. Okay, 20 CR of put trading happened, as you can see here, 20 CR. Okay, so you can see the amount. So this is the time 15:22. I don't know like whether DK has started or not. So I wasn't looking at the premium. So anyways, let's go and check it out. Okay, so it's better before 3 p.m. because after 3 p.m. DK starts. So we will be buying calls, let's say. So calls, yeah. So this is Bank Nifty. This is Nifty CE 24,000 CE. So let's see. So this came in around 1522. So after that, like the price was 220, and after that it moved to 233. Okay. So for the scalpers, as I always say, like five, this moved more than, like it moved 13 to 14 points. But again, for the scalpers, 5 to 10 points, it's very good. Sorry, maximum 5 points, 3 to 5 points is a good one for the scalpers. Because like the idea is that like suppose you take some good quantity and you just scalp 5 points, you get a good amount. Okay, and yeah, so the last few minutes, so I usually say like don't trade in the last few minutes. Why? Because the moves are not very logical at the very last minute. Last minute, I mean after 3 p.m. Here also some call writers came in. That is 17.6 CR. So call writers, put writers, both are there. Here also some call writers came in. So the overall picture, if you see, still here the big call writers came in, and that level hasn't been breached yet. So now if you see the last very few minutes, don't look at now. I mean, okay, so like you should have come when we were live, so you could have captured this move. This move you could have captured. This one we were live there, and I also told specifically, right? Let's see after that. So you can go and check out this move you could have captured in Bank Nifty. Even this move also you could have captured in Bank Nifty. So Now don't see, now it's 3 p.m. over, so it's going to end. So let's look at even our AI money flow, how it's ending. So it's almost ending in the neutral zone. So now I would request not to trade because it's already like 2 minutes to close. Yeah, Rahulji, access has been given. So and also those who like saw the reversal happening live in right in front of you, so please don't forget to put a like. That will encourage me to like come further live and show you such live reversals. And after 3 p.m. trades could be dicey. Yes, after 3 p.m. usually like leave it so for the next day. Right. And suddenly DK can start and anything, like not especially for the option buyers. Option sellers still they can capture the decay, but and also they might be making positions for the next day. So the move might not come at right that point. So like here you can see like call writing happened. So it's still like thinking, okay, so let it print first and then we will see. So yes, it has now finally printed. So 37.5 CR of call writing happened. Okay. And yeah, market is closed. So again, I hope you enjoyed the live session. And again, if you want access to it, so all you have to do is go to my website and whatever plan suits you, get started and then add to cart and just check out and nothing else. Okay. And if you want to directly pay via UPI, you can use these two, any two of these numbers and pay via UPI. And after that, you can WhatsApp us and we will add you right away. Okay. Yes, Rahulji, I have added you. So I'm sending you some videos. Do check them as well. And yeah, any queries, any questions, please do ask. And also, those who are taking membership today, don't worry like about the weekend. Your membership count starts from Monday, and you get access right away as soon as possible. Okay, so you get to read the charts and everything over the weekend. So don't worry about the weekend days that might get lost. So, anyways, Tata Motors. Last, okay, LNT, yeah, LNT like worked in from the morning we saw, and yeah, so yeah, even if you want to see any other stocks or somewhere, so you can also tell me that we can open the chart and see how the HFT performed there. So again, even in Tata Motors, we saw put trading happen, it went up, and right again here, not much activity happened while it was going up. Right after here, you see again the call writer started coming in and started taking it down. So, anyways. But since it's 3 p.m. So that's why I say like I mean wait usually like don't go after 3 p.m. because like this market will stop and you have to wait for the move, might be like from the for the next day, or weekends are like totally risky. Okay, so yes, so I hope you don't have any queries or questions. Let in the party need to watch videos from past. uh, Yes, please do watch and looks put ready now. Yeah, what about Nifty? Yes, I answer. I think I answered all the queries and questions. Yes, and all. And finally, in the live stream, we caught two reversals in Nifty, in Bank Nifty. This one and this one, the put writing, and in Nifty we caught this one. Okay, so within like 40 minutes, I was live. Okay, we caught this one. So yes, I hope you have enjoyed them. And so, if so, again, if you want me to come live again after, not every day. I also trade. I don't get time. So, if you want, so please don't forget to put a like.